Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pastic product review. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make garden borders using plastic molds. I'm going to first start mixing the cement and the river sand, and I've used the ratio of 1:1, so you must mix it well before you can add water. Just to make sure that everything is properly mixed. Now you can mix again. Now I'm going to pour my mixture into the oiled plastic mold. I used an old transformer oil in my molds, but you can use an old car oil or cooking oil or etc. So I prefer to pour half full and shake the mold. Shaking the mold represents it helps in eliminating the bubbles, the air bubbles, and it represents the vibrating machine. Because I don't have a vibrating machine, I use my own hands just to shake the mold to get rid of the air bubbles that are trapped in the mortar. Now that it's ready, I'm going to fill the mold to the brim. When I'm done, I'm going to take the mallet or a soft faced hammer to tap around the mold to further eliminate the air bubbles. You can tap until you have very less or no bubbles at all, depending on the quantity of the product that you need to produce at the end of the day. When you are done, you cover the whole mold with the plastic and leave it to cure for 24 hours. The cracks between the mold and the product at the edge of the mold, then you know it's ready to be released. Don't make a mistake of curing your product in the sun. I did the mistake, and I've learned a hard way. It develops the cracks when it's drying. So I've learned the hard way. Don't be like me. Okay. So this is the final product with the hexagon line shapes. But these are some of the products that I have produced using different molds. So this is the one with the flower. So this is a nice garden border. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.